Do you ever wonder why some sentences sound complete while others don't? Let's dive into the fascinating world of sentence structure. Today, we'll become sentence detectives. We'll learn about clauses, phrases, fragments, and run-ons. This knowledge will improve your writing skills. First, let's discuss clauses. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. There are two types: independent clauses and dependent clauses. An independent clause stands alone. It expresses a complete thought. For example, the dog barked. Here, dog is the subject, and barked is the verb. Now let's look at a dependent clause. It also has a subject and verb, but it can't stand alone. For instance, because the dog barked. We need more information to understand it fully. We can combine clauses to complete thoughts. For example, because the dog barked, the baby woke up. Now it's clear. Next, we'll explore phrases. A phrase adds information but lacks a complete subject-verb combination. Let's think of some phrases. Before sunrise, after school, and in the backyard. These don't stand alone either. Now, let's contrast a phrase with a clause. The children played is a clause because it has a subject and a verb. Meanwhile, in the backyard is just a phrase. Sometimes we encounter fragments. A fragment is an incomplete sentence and often misses a subject or verb. For example, running through the forest. Who is running? We don't know. We fix fragments by adding details. The children were running through the forest completes the thought. Another fragment might be, because it was raining. This leaves us hanging. We can correct it. We stayed indoors because it was raining. How about after the storm ended? Is it complete? Nope. It's a fragment too. Let's fix it. After the storm ended, we went outside. A key question to ask: does this sentence tell a complete thought? If not, add more. Now let's discuss run-on sentences. A run-on sentence occurs when two complete thoughts are incorrectly connected. For instance, I went to the store, I bought some snacks. To correct this, we can use a period or a semicolon. I went to the store, I bought some snacks. Much clearer, right? Another example. She finished her homework, she played video games. We could fix it. She finished her homework and then she played video games. Let's remember the fanboys acronym. It stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These help connect independent clauses. Check out this example. He was hungry, so he made a sandwich. This shows the relationship between two actions. Ready for a quick test? The cat slept on the couch. Is this independent or dependent? It's independent. Next, because he was tired, he went to bed early. This has both clauses, dependent and independent. Now try. Before sunrise, phrase or clause? It's a phrase. Now for the birds sang. This is an independent clause. What about this? Running through the forest. Is it complete? No, it's a fragment. Let's tackle this. I like pizza, it tastes great. Run-on or correct? It's a run-on. Correct version is, I like pizza because it tastes great. Lastly, let's fix. The sun set, it became dark. We could say, the sun set and it became dark. Crafting sentences can be fun. Combine phrases, independent and dependent clauses together. Like this. After lunch, we went outside because the weather was warm. When writing, clarity is key. Keep sentences easy to understand. To summarize, a clause has a subject and verb. Independent clauses express complete thoughts, while dependent clauses do not. Phrases add information without a subject-verb combo. Fragments are incomplete, and run-ons misjoin ideas. For your home practice, write 10 sentences. Mix phrases, independent clauses, dependent clauses, and fanboys connections. Then create 3 fragments and 3 run-ons. Rewrite them correctly. The more you practice building sentences, the stronger your writing will be. Thank you for learning with us today on Learner's Gain. For more exciting lessons, visit www.learnersgain.com. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Learner's Gain. Learning made fun, simple, and rewarding.